Welcome dear friends. In this video we will discuss objective part of Special Cases Mercantile Law paper of the year 2023. So let's start. Question 1 is, which of the following is eligible to become the director of a company? Person representing creditors. Statutory meetings of a company is held once in the lifetime of a company. Special resolution means a resolution which has been passed by a majority of not less than 3/4 majority. A company limited by shares, if so authorized by its articles, may reduce its share capital by special resolution and subject to the confirmation by court. Annual general meeting of a company is held once in a year. A public limited company must have 3 directors. When one person signifies to another his willingness to do or to abstain from doing, obtaining the assent of that other to such act or abstinence, he is said to make a proposal. A contract which ceases to be enforceable by law is called void agreement. If any part of a single consideration for one or more objects, or any one or any part of any one of several considerations for a single object is unlawful, that is called void agreement. A person in the customary course of business as such agent have authority either to sell goods for the purposes of sale, or to buy goods for the purposes of sale, or to buy goods or to raise money on the security of goods. Such person is called mercantile agent. Goods identified and agreed upon at the time a contract of sale is made is called specific goods. Every kind of movable property other than actionable claims and money, and includes stock and shares, growing crops, grass, and things attached to or forming part of the land, which are agreed sale or under the contract of sale, that are called goods. A person who has signed a negotiable instrument as a maker, dryer, acceptor, or endorser without receiving the value thereof, and for the purpose of lending his name to some other person, is called accommodation property. A person who by negotiation comes into possession of a negotiable instrument is called bearer. An instrument in writing containing an unconditional undertaking signed by the maker at a fixed or determinate future time, a certain sum of money only to or to the order of a certain person or to the bearer of the instrument is called promissory notes. Where no provision is made by the contract between the partners for the duration of their partnership or for the determination of their partnership is called partnership at will. A relation between persons who have agreed to share the profits of a business carried on by all or any of them acting for all is called partnership. A person may become a partner with another person in particular adventures or undertakings is called particular partnership. Where an arbitrator or umpire is removed under the provision of the Arbitration Act, he shall not be entitled to receive any remuneration. Court have power to modify, correct, or remit the award. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.